These types of videos are quickly helping Etsy sellers become bestsellers. And honestly, I keep telling you guys, if you don't get on it quickly, then it's going to get saturated. Videos are one of the most powerful things that help Etsy sellers make the sales. Even Etsy says it helps to convert better. But on top of that, you've also got this new style of creating videos, these new AI styles that can be created using AI really quickly with that can help skyrocket your sales. Now, I want to show you in this video exactly how to create a video similar to this that you can do without any camera work, without a photo shoot, without a huge budget, but simply with one AI platform called Kittle. And honestly, it's going to blow your mind. It literally takes a few minutes to create, and then you've got a highly polished, professional looking video, which you can upload on Etsy. So check this out. And guys, before I get into this, my name is AJ. I do all things AI, selling on Etsy and all of that great stuff. If you're interested in any of that, remember, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and yeah, check this out. Look, I'm on Kittle, and this is probably my favorite AI design platform. It's absolutely fantastic. It can do videos, designs, literally editing, anything you want. It's there for you. So if you're interested in that, check out my link below. Got 25% off all the plans, but I definitely suggest try it out at least. Anyway, guys, look at this. I've opened up Kittle, right? So let's just imagine. Now, it doesn't matter what you create. This can work for pod, print on demand, digital, everything, right? So let's just say I go to the side, right? I'm going to go to these mockups. All sorts of mockups, by the way. You can choose your own mockup or you can create your own AI design, which is also quite amazing, guys. So I want to choose something like, what should I choose? There's so many options, man. It's crazy. Here we go. This one. Yeah, let's go this one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the design. I've got my sort of mock-up that I'm going to use. I'm just going to use it, right? You can use what you like, or you can create your own one. I'm just going to show you a quick demo. So I'm going to use a mock-up that exists, that is there on Kittle. I'm going to go to uploads and get a design that I want to sort of upload. Let's see, what am I going to do? What kind of design? Now, remember, this is just principle. So it doesn't matter what it is that I upload. Doesn't actually matter. Just want to show you how it works. Now, let's say I'm want to promote something for St. Patrick's Day, just for the sake of it, yeah? So I put this design, okay? You can see I put the design onto the box, and I'm just going to show you how it looks on the side, on the mock-up, right? Remember, it doesn't really matter because I just want to show you like how a design would sit on a t-shirt or sweatshirt, okay? So don't worry too much about what it is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do something. I want to make this into a sort of animation, a video. Let me describe. So I click that and I'm going to describe what I want. I want the person with the design on his sweatshirt to run to the camera and point at the design. Make sure the design, because that's the main thing, the design is clear in front of the camera. The beautiful thing about this is it's actually going to animate, or should I say create a video from this 2D like picture, which is crazy in itself. So, and remember, I'm writing a prompt. This is a prompt that is directing the image and creating it into a video, right? That's what I'm doing right now. So then I'm going to click generate. Now it's generating. Okay, how long is it going to take? Is it going to tell me? Sometimes it says, yeah, just under 2 minutes. It's going to create this video in under 2 minutes, guys. You don't need any money in terms of photo shoot. You don't need somebody taking a video of models or people. You literally have this, using a platform. It's crazy. It's literally crazy. But I want you to imagine, this is the power of using a video, by the way. Videos are massively, massively underused by Etsy sellers, right? And Etsy says it themselves, right? When you create a listing, Etsy sometimes prompts you and says a video can help convert your listing better. It says that, right? So you need to be using a video anyway. So why not do something professional looking? Now remember, when someone hovers on across on Etsy, then the movement is going to attract them straight away. So that's what I'm saying. This is why videos are so important. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. Drum roll, please. And don't forget, guys, listen, you can redo it, you can do it again if you're not happy, but let's just see what we get as a first. I call it a first draft, right? First draft. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. People, look at that. Oh my God. Guys, I said run to the camera, point to your design on your sweatshirt, your hoodie. Oh my God, guys. Do you know what? This is actually like a game changer. This is AI is crazy. I mean, I love AI, but AI is crazy. AI is crazy. The design looks amazing. What I'll probably do is I'll probably stop him from coming too close because slightly a little bit of the design is not showing once he reaches the camera, and I want it to be visible. So I might either push the design up a bit higher. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. I'll push the design up a little bit higher on the sweatshirt, but keep that same video because it works really well. It's just, guys, you just can't keep your eye off. Like, it's crazy. I mean, look, granted, I just did it was just an experiment for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys how it works in principle. But can you see the power of this? Can you feel it? Like, it's amazing, right? It's just phenomenal. I don't know what else to say. I just think you guys, just as soon as you finish the video, go to Kittle. You can check out the link below. Just try it out. You can just try it for free anyway, right? You're gonna absolutely love it, and you're not gonna get you're gonna do it right all the time. And like I said, I've seen so many people creating these animated videos, and they become bestsellers quite quickly, right? Because they're getting clicked on, they're getting conversions, because it just attracts people to the listing. And when you're amongst millions of sellers out there, it's just you need anything to leverage, anything to help you convert better. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. Remember, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Take care.